gonna be unboxing a LOL surprise pet. I'm wearing its glasses. But, and see what this is like, go on comment down below if you think you're gonna like these glasses or not.
Let's check it out.
Let's check this place. Let's check this little girl out. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. It's a surprise. Let's unbox this. Whoa, I unboxed it. It's a really big box. I don't think. Whoa, she looks really cool. Let's see what she really looks like.
Oh, she fell.
Let's see what she really looks like. So she looks very cool. Like this. Let's see what she really looks like. Whoa! She's so pretty.
Let's get a close-up here.
Let's get a close-up here. She's so really pretty. Now, you want to see her. She's really rocky and cool. With the sunglasses. The sunglasses.
Show it to you.
Doesn't she look really cool? Okay, if that was enough, I'm going to put the sunglasses back on. She looks really cute in these. Ah, much better. Everything's pink. And she looks roxy and cool. Okay, let's put her down. Let's see if we have anything else. Let me shake it, see what's inside. Let's see if I can shake it. See if there's anything in it. I hear something. Huh? What's this? It's pink. Comment down below if you know what this is.
I know. So crazy.
Okay. So, if you know what this is, please comment down below so when I watch this video at home, I could know what it is. Because I have all the comment down below right on the picture. Okay, so this is going to be something really squishy. But that's it. And it's like a little bed. See what the cover is. The cover is a little pillow. So cool.
Let's get a close-up on that.
So this is the little pillow on the cover.
Oh yeah, we see that.
And then this is the little bed.
Wow, there's like pillows in there.
Yeah.
Like gold.
Gold pillows.
Let's see the outside.
Let's see the outside of this. Whoa, it's like polka dotty.
Oh look, it has like...
Oh, it has a kitty face.
Look at that.
And this one is the same thing. Okay, so let's put this down. So it looks like some people have robbed our LOL surprises, but we still have another one. I don't hear anything. Must be something that's really still, or it's just nothing. Because I know someone robbed it. Probably someone robbed it. Wait, it's nothing.
Let's see.
It's the same thing. This is the cap. This is the inside.
Nothing in.
Nothing in it. Let's see if anything other stuff. I still have one package. I still have a package that says free puppies and free kittens. Maybe there's a kitten or puppy in it. Well, there maybe it was supposed to be. I know someone robbed it. There was something inside this clay. Someone
It's
robbed.
kinetic sand.
It's kinetic sand. Someone must have robbed. Someone must have robbed my LOL surprise pet, and I've always wanted one. And this is what happened? Well, at least I got the big one. Well, let's see. This will stay here. We'll figure that out when we're done. Let's see. And we'll figure out what this is when we're done. Let's see. We have some accessories. What's this? And another one of those. What? Comment down below. What do you think this is? And it's another one of these. Who knows? Let's put that next to the other one over here. And this one. Let's see what else. It's a wishbone. Whoa, this wishbone's really cool. It's a really sparkly wishbone.
Let's do it.
Sparkly and gemmy. Yay! I don't know how to do a wishbone.
Whoever gets this, the top part, gets their wish.
Wait, let me do it. Let's do it again.
Aww.
Yay! Okay, so that was the
Let's try
wishbone.
again.
Let's try again. Let's not do this. Grin, stop. Stop, Grin. Grin!
I wanted my wish.
So, this is what it is. It's a little wishbone, but we don't know whose it is. Because it's very tiny. It can't be hers. So they probably left the stuff they didn't want. So they must not like sparks. And shiny stuff. Because this is definitely shiny. This. What is this? What do you think?
It's like a fortune teller.
Maybe it's a fortune teller. Let's check it out. I'll be the guy. I'll have hamburgers, cupcake, and french fries. Wow. I don't know what this is, but he must want to put this down so he'll know what I'm going to get. So, I don't know what's happening here, but I know somebody about this one. Look what else I found. I found the silver bone. Maybe there's supposed to be a dog in one of these. That's definitely a clue. All these things are
my
definitely.
dog from here.
But it's not in your basket. What's this? This is a shovel that has a sad face.
Let me see.
Look at it. There's a sad face. Who could this be from?
So this is all our evidence here.
It's all of our clues. It's all our clues. We don't know what happened.
We have my dog.
Let's check if your dog is okay.
My dog.
He looks okay. Let's see if his surprise pets are gone or not.
No, they're over here.
They're all there. Huh. That's weird. Well, let's see if this magic kinetic sand will help. It's magical. It grants wishes. So let's see if it will work. Magic, 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 magic. Okay, cover it. No, cover it with your hand.
Okay, this will take a second.
We don't know. This only takes a little second. Uncover it. Let's see if it worked. It didn't work. Huh.
Maybe we have to find it.
Wait, I know. I think whoever robbed this turned off the kinetic sand, but we don't know how to turn it on or off.
Let me see.
Here, feels weird, right? I know. I think they turned it into like Play-Doh or something, because it's getting hard, right?
Do you think this is what it is?
Wait, I know what he did. He took it and replaced it with the same color. We need to put this down. Come on. Come on. We can't lose any piece of this. Come on.
Look at this guy. You look a little cutie.
He's cutie pie. Let's bring him too. Come on. Let's see if he robs anything else. I don't see anything. It looks pretty dark in there. And up there. Our house been robbed. Let's see. All my rainbow room is gone. And I never seen those headphones before. And those gloves must be the master's gloves. They glow up in the dark. I don't know what happened. Maybe this guy can help. Maybe she can help. And the magic glasses. Because I think these look pretty magical. Because they make everything blue into purple. Let me take them. Let's see. So you do turn colors. And you do look very cool. What's this? Maybe there's a clue in here. Ugh. I can't open it. It won't.
You have to turn it.
No, pretend I'm turning it and it won't open. It won't open. I'm turning it both sides. Ugh. Maybe I'll...
the key.
I know. Maybe our surprise pets are in there and they locked it and there's like a key. Or like you have to like have a special hand. Let's try the gloves. Try the gloves.
Okay, go get them.
I'll go get them. I'll bring you. You watch all the Rob stuff. Okay? Watch if any of it don't go. I got the gloves. I don't know if this will work. But maybe it will. Because this is really weird. I don't know how this happened. I don't know how this happened, but it just happened. How can someone how can a robber something like an LOL surprise pet? How can I like one of those? Okay, I have the gloves on. Maybe the gloves will help me take it. It's still not twisting. Still not. I twisted it. It opened.
Take a look at this.
Maybe these little guys are clues. Come on, let's see. Because
This is our LOL surprises, right?
they might be clues or they might be our LOL surprises.
These got to be our LOL surprises.
No, look. There's a clue in here. Somewhere. It went away. There it is.
Look at these things.
Comment down below if you think those are real LOL surprise pets or they are not. Look at this. It looks like a snowman. Let's see what it is. Comment down below if you know what this is. Let's put it in our what this is pile. Okay, let's take these little guys too. There might be another one in there. Because these guys look like Zoom Sims. Let's see if there's an LOL surprise pet in it. It looks like there is. Let's see if it's another clue. It's an LOL surprise pet. Because look. But those guys don't do that. So this is definitely an LOL surprise pet. This is a clue. Let's see. It's an LOL surprise pet.
Let's take a look at this.
And this guy looks good. Let's see what the little surprise little pets look like when I put the glasses on. Ah! These two look creepy when you put them on.
Let's see.
Then it does, but it doesn't. They look creepy in it.
Yeah.
So maybe those guys are bad. What about this guy? Let me see. He looks real cute. He looks like a regular pup.
Let's see.
But his eyes turn purple. His eyes turn purple. For some reason.
Comment down below if you think he's creepy.
Because we don't know why his eyes turn purple. Okay, so I'll keep these glasses on for a long time so I know what these little guys look like. So those guys look mean. All of them look mean. This one looks like it has little spikes to kill you. This one looks like
He's beady eyes.
he has beady eyes. He has beady eyes. And this guy is just a cute little pup with his mouth open like this. So I don't know. Let's see. This green turns to purple. I think I know. The green turning into that color. That means that's a clue. That's a clue. There's something in there. Try to find out what it is. I'll take my gloves off. See if that does anything. Does it make anything that's in there disappear? Let's see. Let me have it. This is a very creepy LOL surprise pet thing. I don't see anything in it. No, there's nothing in it. Phew. So, that's still a clue. These glasses make us have a lot of clues.
Okay, I think we're gonna end this video because we don't know anything.